am in the sticks of Texas. I am 2.5 miles away from the possible Tesla lithium refinery refining area that has been proposed just outside of Corpus Christi, Texas, near the Gulf Coast, Gulf of Mexico, just outside of Robstown, Texas. And right now there's just a whole lot of farmland, but there's some high voltage transmission towers, which is great. Straight ahead is Tex Isle, which is I think oil refinery or oil company of sorts.
Quarter mile, turn left onto County Road 30.
I had to take a way backwards route in order to get onto this road. So I'm looking forward to see what the proposed site looks like. Probably won't look like much, but I was passing by, so I wanted to stop.
Turn left onto County Road 30.
Here we go. Turning, not left. I don't want to go left. I want to go right. I am 90% sure that this is where the spot is. This is where the lithium refinery will be. Right here. According to a Drive Tesla Canada article that was released yesterday, I tweeted it.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto County Road 79.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go on the opposite side of this. So I think that we're getting closer. Oh yeah, we're in the sticks. Pretty sure this is where the Tesla lithium refinery is going to be built. At least that's what has been proposed. There's a dilapidated house. I think that I'm sure has lots of stories to tell. And then there's another one up here. I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Can't imagine anybody's living here, but it's possible, maybe. Right there. And then, yikes, scary. Okay, so I'm just gonna go up to the corner here and do a little report. We are in the sticks. And when I say sticks, there's not really sticks. I mean, there's a few palm trees, but I think that they were brought in. Right now, I'm at the corner of County Route 79 and County Route 30. County Route 79 doesn't go through, and that direction that I just was, ended at a road that looked just like this. So I'm gonna get out and just shoot a quick video. Okay, so I'm doing a comparison based on the map, the Google map that Drive Tesla Canada's article put in the article. So you can see here's Tesla lithium refinery, and then here is La Paloma Lost Creek, which sounds creepy, and then up here is Textile Processing, which is right down the road. So we are at the corner of 79 and 30, which is right here. Although there's no street signs. This is it. Let's see what this says. Oh, it's like a rat trap. Okay, hey world, welcome back. Jessica Kirsh here. I'm coming to you, not live, but from the corner of County Road 30 and County Road 79 here just outside of Robstown, Texas. Right here, you'll see the Kirsh Kona is parked on this kind of creepy road, but it won't be creepy for long, especially if Tesla's proposed lithium refinery is approved here at this location right here, right behind me. This is where the potential Tesla lithium refinery will be, where raw materials, raw lithium will be refined, and it will be included in the battery chemistry that goes into the 4680 cells, I'm sure also the 18650 cells, and all of the other batteries that are produced, especially in the power walls, some of the power packs that you're seeing now at newer supercharger locations. So I'm gonna flip it around and just show you this property. So it's quite an expansive place here. That is textile processing, which I believe is an oil refinery or manufacturer, piping or something. But this is the site, to the best of my knowledge. And this is super creepy, and that's creepy too, but we're gonna keep rolling. This is where, not this, but this is where the proposed Tesla lithium refinery is. Once again, to the best of my knowledge, shout out to Drive Tesla Canada and the article that they published yesterday. I saw it on Twitter, and this is the location that was mapped in that article. So here we are. We're roughly 16 miles from the Corpus Christi International Airport, so that's convenient for employees that may be flying into town or contractors. Also, there's a railroad that runs across this highway. This highway, I believe, is Texas 77. Yeah, but I'm going to take a couple pictures, and then I'm going to get back on the road, head down to Brownsville, because Starship never stops. Today's date is Friday, November 18th, I think, 2022. And we'll see what happens in the coming months.